morning, guys. So we have come down for breakfast this morning to our favourite chocolate cafe, but it's Relive it's called. I say this every time.
Yeah, we just call it chocolate
cafe. So yeah, we've got croissants, some toast. Lee's got his barraquito, got water, hydrate because it is very warm again today. So yeah, we're going to enjoy our breakfast, have a little walk around, aren't we?
Yeah, we've got a fun-filled day ahead.
Fun little day, plans.
One of our favourite spots now that we discovered last time, so
yeah, we love it here. So
people
nice.
that not seen it will take you there.
Yeah.
And then this evening to Lorava.
Yeah, we're going to go, because we're not doing it on the night time, have we? So we're going to go to Lorava, so that'll be lovely.
So yeah, come with us.
Yeah, we're going to fuel up, ready for a busy day.
Yeah.
Bye,
See you
guys.
soon.
You'll just find me here all day now. Hello.
just cooling off. Just cooling off in the fridge.
Oh, it's so nice. Oh, just leave me here.
I bet people look at us going, kick them out of the shop.
We need an Aquarius. Yeah. And we need croissants for Denise. Where are the croissants? Oh. So we've had a nice swim in the pool, haven't we? We've refreshed, had a shower, and now we are heading to Tios, our favourite. Oh, jinx!
Yeah. Favourite spot.
Our favourite. Said it's Friday, and on Friday is when the fresh pork comes, isn't it? So we're gonna go for pork and a little bit of a drink in Tios. So yeah, come with us, guys. We hope you enjoy it, and we will
just show you the views because it's an absolute magical day.
It is beautiful.
Look at the mountains. Sea behind.
It's just unreal, isn't it?
Yes.
It's gorgeous. It is.
Well, we try and sell Puerto as much as possible, but the weather really helps.
When it's, I mean, it's like everywhere, isn't it? Puerto is beautiful, but when it is cloudy, anywhere doesn't look. It looks a bit like grim, but when the sun is out, it shines even more. So yeah, it is absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We did his little walk
this morning.
Vlog.
Yeah, little vlog.
So that's on the channel.
Yeah, and then like I said, we came and had a swim in at the apartment, shower, nice chill, and now we're gonna go and spend the afternoon at Tios, aren't we?
So come with us.
See you soon. Okay, so we've arrived at Tios, our favourite little spot, well, one of our favourite little spots. So we are so ready for the pork, aren't we, Lou?
Yeah.
If you've watched our vlog before when we had the pork, oh my god, it was unreal.
But you can come here at day, you can come here at night.
Yeah, the beach tea, I think it opens at like 3 o'clock, so it's just open.
There's little bars. That's a chill out zone at night.
It's just amazing.
Yeah, great. Little
Tios
beach.
Little sections.
This is the restaurant bit, isn't it?
Yeah, this is where we'll be coming on.
Yeah, voilà.
Tomorrow night.
Yeah.
Food. We've not actually had a meal yet, have we here?
Tios.
These are like a little bit inside as well.
Yeah.
Oh, this is. Just so cute. I love all these little bits.
Yeah. Steve's run ahead to check on the pork.
Steve's getting the pork in.
Yeah, there's different little different sections. Obviously, that's a restaurant. You've got the beach bar, and then you've got this like a little tapas bit into it.
So nice.
So yeah, we'll show you what we
get.
Probably pork.
Yeah, probably.
See you soon.
Okay, so we've just got our drinks. Nice G&T. We need Denise and Steve, and Lou's got a nice little half of Dorada, haven't you?
Yeah.
Or is it Estrella? I don't know, it might not be Dorada. This is Estrella.
Estrella, yeah.
So yeah, so did you do the little video, Lisa, to show the measures? It's quite a strong gin.
Yeah, put it on.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to enjoy our drinks now, aren't we?
And then he's cutting the pork and ham.
We've been looking forward to this since the last time we came, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we said Friday, Tios, we're in the park, get it in the diary, we'll be there. So yeah.
When that rocks up, we'll show you.
Yeah. See you soon. Okay, so this is what we have been waiting for. The park. Oh my god, guys, honestly, it is the best.
Smell-o-vision.
It is just the best ever. So we are going to dig into this, but yeah, it's literally all being made by this great guy. He's just cut it all straight from the bone.
I'll put a video on after this.
Yeah.
I've been cutting it up for us, but it's all paprika, sea salt, and
it's just amazing.
And then you got your breads.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
we're going to tuck in.
Yeah.
Hay montones de hay montones de rincones para 9 personas, no te preocupes. Otra cosa que fuera ya un grupo de 20, pero para 9, ni te preocupes, que hay sitio, ¿vale?
Okay, so Leah's decided he wants a little barraquito, and Steve has gone for the zapparetto.
Zapparocco.
Oh, one of those as well. Zapparocco.
So that's basically that, but with the liquor.
Yeah, that's got the liqueur in it. They both look really good. So enjoy, gentlemen.
Thank you very much. So Deborah, this is a little beach bar, isn't it?
Yeah, we love it here. We sat there last time we came.
Good, down
So we've
there.
just had a really lovely meal. Well, not meal, we had the pork. We look a little glass walk there. So definitely, like we said, like there's all the different kind of bits. So that's the original Tios where you can have your food, where we're going tomorrow night. So we'll definitely show you tomorrow night. So excited. And then that's a little bit over there where we went, which is just a really chilled area, isn't it?
It
And then
is,
this is the beach bar where there's a DJ and
Can't swim in that, by the way.
yeah, no, don't try to swim. But yeah, it's just such a cool, and all the guys are so lovely who work there, so friendly.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
So yeah, we're going to head to Lorava now. So,
Head to the next spot.
yeah, come with us. See you soon.
Hi guys. So we are now up in Lorava.
Yeah.
And we're in a lovely little square. And I think we're going to go to the bar Baranda,
Yeah.
which is owned by Tios, where we've just been as well. So we're going to go there, maybe get a few little tapas bits, aren't we?
That's what we like to do. We like to go to different places.
Different place, because we just had the park there and it was nice, like a little starter. So then we're on to
little
the next
appetizer.
little appetizer, then we're on to the next kind of main, aren't we now?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna have a nice kind of chill out there, aren't we? But it's just in this lovely little. Normally we kind of sit here, but it is really hot, so we're gonna go and sit in the shade over there.
So
Oh yeah.
I'll show you what we ordered.
Yeah. See you soon. So we've got more pork. We're just addicted to it. Oh my god.
This is not the same place. This is a chain. Obviously, great viewer.
So it's a chain that. So
town.
these own Tios, don't they?
I'll just dig it in.
I'm already digging in.
You
Look
taste
at that.
this then, Deborah.
I'll just do a little taste test. Even though I've only not had it that long ago. Good, Steve?
Lovely.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's literally just the same as Tios, isn't it? Oh, it's amazing.
So that's the first course. We've got more to come. So we'll show you what we get. Come on, Deborah, get it in, love.
So we're on to our second course now of the tapas. So we've got the tomatoes with balsamic, it's like a balsamic vinegar, and then there's like little bits of ham. And then we've got canary and pit potatoes.
The two sauces.
Two sauces, which is
That's
your
the
favourite.
favourite, that one.
Yeah, that's our favourite.
Yeah.
And then Denise and Steve got the prawns. Got a nice
Favourite
sangria.
them, Mum, aren't they?
Yeah, but the description's weird because they describe it as prawns in brick.
Alright. That doesn't sound obvious, does it?
Steve's really enjoying them. You need a napkin.
My dad's tucking in. So yeah, we're going to tuck into
Sangria.
these.
I've got a nice sangria. Cheers. So yeah, let's tuck in. Okay guys, so we're on to the next spot now. This is like a little pub.
I'm not showing him
crawl.
just yet, we're teasing him.
But just look at the views from like, we won't show you where we are, but like look, there's Tady, look at the sun beaming down on the ocean.
Look at that for a shot.
Absolutely amazing.
Find me a better image on the island
Yeah.
in this location.
How beautiful, it's just amazing. So yeah, we're gonna have
We're going to watch the sunset and then we're going to this place,
Baranda.
which has got a glass walkway.
Yeah, so you can like literally like walk over the walkway there. Great opportunity for pictures as well.
Yeah, so it's absolutely stunning view and it looks like it's going to be a good sunset and it's absolutely red.
Boiling, it's like 7:15 at night and it's red hot.
But just look at that.
Amazing.
I don't think we need to talk anymore.
No, not all, it's breathtaking. Okay guys, so this is one of the main kind of Instagram picture
Yeah.
points of this.
We didn't come here last time, but
No, we've been before though.
look at that cross walkway
Oh.
right down.
I don't really like heights. Look, just look at the views.
Look at that
Just
for a
amazing.
view. You will struggle, like I said, to find a better view.
And then look, this is new, so there's actually a new bar down here now as well. Like, look at that. So when you're driving on the motorway,
Look, if you can see,
you can see the giraffe
It looks like it's smashed
sticking
through
out.
his head.
And when you're driving along here to Quercy, you can see it. So
And
yeah,
there's the little bar, and that's where we're sat down there.
we're gonna have a nice corn star
Look at that,
martini.
Deborah.
Oh God, don't, because I'm not good with heights. So we've had a quick picture. We wanted to show you guys. Now we're gonna go and enjoy our cocktail and the sunset. So name me a better view, watching the sun go down, and a nice corn star martini. Our favourite. Should we put the
We'll
prosecco
pour
in?
it in together.
Cheers.
Chin chin. Happy holidays, as we keep
Oh.
saying.
We'll just put it all over the table. There we go.
Every miss.
I always do that.
Gonna watch the sun go down, the Tady, everyone having the pictures.
Really good
There's my mum and dad on the vino again.
No, Denise got a nice cocktail.
Oh yeah, what's that one, Mum?
Pink please. That looks really nice.
Taste test?
I hope it's better than last year.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. It looks nicer.
Yeah, what about yours, Dad?
It's just a normal red wine.
So yeah, we're gonna enjoy the views, enjoy the cocktails, and just
I'll
relax.
say hello.
Oh, keep saying hello.
Cheeky wave again.
Explain it.
Estábamos más descansados de
Yo estoy muy descansado y se nota al descansar yo.
que os habré metido la pata en cosas que no habéis podido hacer. Hombre, que había pensamiento de aquello con la guagua y era pleno sol.
sun's gone down now, and we have got candy floss skies, Tadey in the background, everyone's having a picture tuck. It's just such a fun place to come and have a cocktail. So yeah, I just had to show you the candy floss skies. Look how calm the sea looks as well. Just absolutely stunning. Hi guys, so we are ending today's vlog, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're still having one more porn star martini.
One for the road.
One for the road, but we thought we'd just end it at La Baranda. Obviously it's dark now, but still it's just such a lovely atmosphere.
It's a football ground over your shoulder.
We're definitely not up to no football ground. So thanks so much for watching our day 2.
Yeah.
I love how I have to ask Lee, like, what day is it? You're on holiday, all the days just mould into one. We hope you've enjoyed it as much as we've enjoyed it. We've loved it, haven't we? That's such a lovely day.
Lots of food and drink.
As always. So yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and we will obviously see you tomorrow for day 3.
Yeah.
But if you'd like to ring the bell,
Yeah.
like, and subscribe.
Getting there.
I'll get there. And we'll catch you all tomorrow.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye guys.